Growing old is a privilege, but it's not without its challenges. My grandfather, a vibrant man who once carried me on his shoulders, struggled to stand from his chair at 75. It broke my heart to see his strength fade, not from illness, but from years of neglecting one simple habit. That's when I realized the silent crisis so many elderly face, a crisis we can prevent. The truth hits hard. Not doing weight training is robbing our elderly of their health, independence, and joy. As we age, our muscles naturally weaken, a condition called sarcopenia. By 70, most people lose 20 to 40% of their muscle mass. This isn't just about looking frail, it's about losing the ability to climb stairs, carry groceries, or even get out of bed. Without strong muscles, simple tasks become daunting, and the risk of falls skyrockets. Every year, 1 in 4 seniors over 65 falls, and those falls lead to over 3 million emergency room visits. Weak muscles don't just limit movement, they steal confidence and freedom. Weight training, even light resistance exercises, can change everything. Studies show that seniors who lift weights just twice a week can gain significant muscle strength in as little as 6 weeks. This isn't about bodybuilding, it's about rebuilding. A 2019 study found that older adults who did strength training cut their risk of falls by 30%. Stronger muscles mean better balance, more stability, and fewer injuries. But the benefits go deeper. Weight training boosts bone density, reducing the chance of fractures. It improves heart health, fights off depression, and even sharpens memory. Imagine a life where you can play with your grandkids, walk without fear, and feel alive in your own body. So why aren't more seniors doing it? Many believe weight training is for the young, or they fear injury. But that's a myth. With proper guidance, anyone can start safely, even in their 80s. Simple exercises like lifting light dumbbells, using resistance bands, or doing bodyweight squats can make a world of difference. You don't need a gym, just a corner of your living room and a little courage. Others think they're too old to start, but research proves it's never too late. A 90-year-old who began strength training gained enough muscle to walk without a cane. That's not a miracle, it's science. The real tragedy is inaction. Every day without weight training, our elderly lose more than muscle. They lose dignity. They're forced to rely on others, their world shrinking to a single room. But it doesn't have to be this way. Picture your parents, your spouse, or even yourself in 20 years. Do you want to be vibrant, chasing sunsets, or stuck in a chair, watching life pass by? The choice is ours, and it starts now. Here's the call to action. If you're over 60 or love someone who is, start weight training today. Begin with small steps. Lift a can of soup, try chair squats, or join a senior fitness class. Consult a doctor or trainer to ensure safety, but don't wait. If you're younger, encourage the seniors in your life. Share this video, show them how to start, or exercise together. Let's break the cycle of frailty and give our elderly the strength to live fully. This isn't just about muscles, it's about reclaiming life. My grandfather passed before I could help him, but his struggle fuels my mission. Let's honor our loved ones by empowering them to stand tall. The weights are light, but the impact is heavy. Start today, and let's build a future where growing old means growing strong. Together, we can rewrite the story of aging, one lift at a time.